Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can do Postmates delivery. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, I'm right now on my phone. So the first thing that you need to do guys is search for Postmates application. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it and then wait for the app to load. Once the app has loaded, you're gonna be right here in the home page. So basically, guys, this page is for buying anything that you want. You can order any item that you want. And as you can see, guys, here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. So there is the home section, browse, cards, and the account. So what you need to do, guys, is go ahead and click on account, and then you're going to be right here in your account page. So go ahead, scroll all the way down until you find earn by driving or delivering. Click on it, and then you're gonna be right here in this page. So just wait for it to load. So I completed some steps that you need to complete before this. So you need to choose which delivery option you want. Then you need to choose your vehicle and so on. After that, you're gonna be right here in this page. So right here, you need to follow these steps: the background check, upload a profile photo, upload your photo of your driving license, vehicle insurance, vehicle registration, vehicle inspection, and lastly, a short safety video. So for example, if you go to background check, you need to click on agree and then fill this with your social security number and then click on agree and acknowledge. And after that, go ahead and upload your profile photo and so on. Once you finish, you're going to be able to work for Postmates. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.